welcome to Crock-Pot Empire. I'm Kimberly Bishop, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making salsa chicken. We're going to do the healthy version with only 2 ingredients, but I'm also going to show you how to jazz it up a notch. So come on and join me. Let's get cooking salsa chicken 2 different ways.
We're going to add 2 to 4 chicken breasts to the bottom of our inner pot, and this recipe is very flexible with how much chicken you choose to use. Now, truth be told, I like to add a 3rd ingredient, a taco seasoning packet, but this is purely optional, and sometimes I leave it out. Totally depends on what kind of mood I'm in. And now it's the star of our show, salsa. You definitely can't have salsa chicken without it. So at this point, we can either leave our salsa chicken as is, put our lid on, twist to lock, turn the valve to the sealing position, press the meat poultry button, and start. And after an immediate release, this is the healthy version of salsa chicken. Just shred it with 2 forks and serve. Now let's add a few more ingredients and let's jazz it up. We're going to start with a can of corn and a can of black beans. Place the lid on lock, press the meat poultry button, and start. Do an immediate pressure release. And once the pressure has died down, open the lid. And let's add some cream cheese that will make this salsa chicken so creamy. Just place your cream cheese right there in the middle. Put your lid back on. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to let the cream cheese melt, and then give it a big stir. Shred the chicken with 2 forks or a bear claw, and you've got jazzed up salsa chicken.
So now that our salsa chicken is done, let's give it a try. That's delicious. Eat it straight out of the bowl like I like to do, put it on a bed of lettuce, or make some tacos or shred it for burritos. However you like to eat your salsa chicken, it will be so delicious. If you like this video, please go give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell so that you never miss an episode on Crock-Pot Empire. Thanks so much for watching. See you right back here next time.